Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how you can change your email ID to something new. If you're like really tired of using your old email ID, it's been like 10-20 years and you want to have a small change for maybe for personal reasons or professional reasons, it's fine. Google has actually come up with an option that will help you to change your email ID to something brand new. If you have come up with something, it's much cool. And also you'll not lose access to any of your files, your documents on Google Drive or even your YouTube account. Okay, so everything will be same, only your email ID will change, and it's very simple to change it. Just keep watching this video till the end. Meanwhile, do subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech tutorials. Anyways, let's get started. So the first thing we have to do is go into google.com, and then once you are here, just click on the profile picture over here and then click on manage your Google account. Okay, and once we are here, we'll see some details on the left, so just click on personal information, this one, and then over here we'll see our email, so just go ahead and click on that. And then we get some options like our current email that we are currently using, and the recovery email, contact email, alternate emails. So what we're going to be doing is changing our current email, so just click on that one. And then once we are here, they'll ask us to change account email, so we can go ahead and click on this. And so they'll give us some important tips on changing our email, so make sure to read it properly. So once you come up with a new email ID, you can go ahead and enter over here. So you have to remember that you can only change your email ID once in 12 months. So make sure that you are using a proper brand new email ID that you will remember, and also you will find easier to use in future. Okay, so you'll not be losing your old email ID. You can just create a brand new email ID and enter over here. So for now, I'll just enter a test email. So this is the test email I have entered, and I can just go ahead and click change email. And once I click on that, it will permanently change my old email ID. And I can still use my old email ID as well, but this will be the brand new email ID. Okay, so you can just go ahead and change email. But for now, I'm not changing it because I like my old email ID. Okay, so once you have changed it, if you go back into your Google account, and once we are here in this section again, once we come to alternate emails, our old email ID will show up over here and our brand new email ID will show up over here. So you can still have access to both email, and you can access your Gmail, your YouTube, your Google account, everything using your brand new email as well as your old email. So if you guys found this video helpful, do like and also subscribe to my channel. I make amazing tech content. So thank you and have a nice day.